Noon, sobrang, it was an amazing experience, no? Kasi ang tagal ko na bago nakabalik ulit ng Cebu, siguro yung Cebu ko dati para pre-pandemic pa. And, you know, yung mararamdaman mo talaga yung warmth and yung support ng mga kababayan natin sa Cebu. So, nagkaroon kami ng radio tour, meron din tayo, nagkaroon tayo ng mall show, nagkaroon tayo ng FanCon, nagkaroon tayo ng advanced screening doon.
So, the Cebu people were able to watch it na?
Actually, yeah,
wow.
only a select few. So, meron na rin mga nakanood, puno yung cinemas, and then nagkaroon din tayo ng advanced ticket selling doon.
I saw that.
So, we're just grateful for the support na in-extend sa atin ng mga Cebuano. Kaya dagang salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Outcome ng Antol, nung ilang beses mo napanood.
Yeah, so I'm very proud of Antol. I'm so impressed with everything, even from kahit na sa script reading pa lang, nakikita mo na how impressive the story and the movie is going to be. Of course, the cast is super good, and Director Derek Nobilo did such a great job putting the project together.
Na nagawa nila, and kasi ikaw, Pabita, how do you feel na the biggest horror collaboration ito ng Regal? Siyempre, alam naman natin ang galit tayo sa mga franchise ng mga Shake, Rattle and Roll, di ba? Pero ito, binabalik na naman ng Regal where they're really good at, which is the horror genre. Kasi ikaw pa yung nagbida sa Anso.
Of course, I just feel so blessed and grateful na na-entrust ng Regal yung project sa akin, at saka hindi lang sa akin, pero sa mga kasama ko na dito ngayon. Thank you. Nasabi ko naman ito before na it was a dream talaga to work. Sige, papalitan ko na lang yung hello? Ayan.
Ayan, very good. Thank you,
So, it was really a dream to work with Regal.
Can I share? Sabi mo, Mars, ba't hindi ako kinukuha ng So it's kilig talaga when you got the offer from Regal.
No, kasi di ba kasi almost every year merong Shake, Rattle and Roll.
Ayun pala na.
Umabot na nga siya sa pang-ilan ba?
Ilan na, Sir Keith?
Extreme ba?
Extreme.
Yun na nga, di ba?
Ayun, correct.
So parang every time, parang, kukunin kaya nila ako. Iisipin mo talaga yun eh.
Dream kasi, di ba?
Because as a child, I would watch Regal Shocker.
Correct. Growing up, di ba?
Diba? Tapos yung mga Shake, Rattle and Roll, na isang favorite ko doon, yung episode nila sa Undin. It would be nice, no, kung one day maging part ako ng movie ng Regal. But then, it never happened. Nung panahon na yun.
Years ang inintay mo, decades, no?
I waited for 27 years
No
for
way.
this to happen. Yun.
Ang galing.
So, thank you so much, Mr. Sel, Sir Keith, thank you. Maraming salamat sa Regal sa tiwalang ibinigay.
Thanks, Mars, for sharing.